Hi, it's me Pragya. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button to join my glam squad where I talk about skin, makeup, hair, anything that will make you look glam. As you have seen the title, so today's video is about glowy skin with Indian skincare product. I know that glowy skin is mainly focused with Korean brands. Like Korean brands are very popular for giving you that glowy skin and that giving you that glass-like skin. But now our indie brands have also stepped up their game and giving us such good products to give us that desired result now. So yes, so today's video is gonna be all about Pure by Priyanka skincare products. So this is when I actually purchased and I have been trying their products since then. I'm not a fan of all the products they have came up with, but there are few products that I absolutely love because of their amazing glowing power. The glow they give on your skin is like, oh my god, I cannot even explain how good your skin looks. So I and my mom has been loving this products and we are kind of obsessed with. Now anyways, if you are really interested to know what are the products I'm going to be talking about and how they are actually and how to work them on your skin, so without any further ado, let's just get rolling. Now coming to the brand Pure by Priyanka, it was actually founded by Priyanka Sarna, who is all about skincare and earthy ingredients, and she was inspired from her grandmother. Now at her age of 40, she stepped up and came to help us with some amazing good quality earthy skincare product. Now I am a very fond of indie brands. Now I don't know if you have been following in my channel, I talk about skincare more and I am a person who talks about ingredients, product, quantity, price and the quality. My main concern about skin is how good quality products we are putting on our face. So this is the first one. This is Pure by Priyanka fruit tonic. It has vitamin C in it in a fruit based format, which I actually like, and this smells like I would say this smells more of a fruity syrupy smell. I don't know how to explain it, but it has a very good smell to it, a very fruity smell I would say. Like this is so good. Like the spray is also even super good in this product. Can you just see how good it is? I didn't want to waste it, but this has the finest mist I would say. Now I will come to the ingredients. What are the ingredients in this product? I'm sorry I have to look down because I have written everything down, because the ingredient list is not in the product, it is given in the website. And also the best part about this is that in their website, when you are purchasing it, there is a section where they mention about skin types, which skin type should use. So it's very good for someone to actually go and check it out. Like they do mention if it's for oily skin, if it's for acne prone skin, and they will also mention that like this product is not for acne prone skin. So that's the best part, and that really helps the other people to buy their products, because it is very useful for us when they mention that this is for normal skin, this is for combination skin, and this is for oily skin. So that was the best thing, and this was for all types of skin, so I had to get this one. Coming to the ingredients of this product, now the first one is hyaluronic acid. The second ingredient in this product is kakadu plum. Now kakadu plum is actually a form of vitamin C, which is a fruit derived. It's an Australian fruit which actually has a very high power of vitamin C in. Now next ingredient is aloe juice. Now aloe juice is also good for, you know, anti-inflammatory product. Like it really helps to calm and soothe your face if you have any irritation going on, so it would instantly soothe out your face. After that, it contains witch hazel and mixed fruit extracts. It contains sodium luminite, so it is a preservative, and I have googled it. It is the one of the low hazard preservative which won't actually harm your skin. And the next one is it has fruit-based citric acid. Now as you can see, I have a full face of makeup. I was feeling very low, so I had to do some makeup and sit for the video. Like this one, when I just sprayed on my face just looks instantly glowy, dewy. My makeup looks so bomb. I have no idea, I don't know you feel that way or not. And this one is priced at $8.50. I know the prices are a bit high than a usual toner, but trust me, it will show you instant result. It won't give you any burning sensation or so. It doesn't have any alcohol, which is the best thing about this product, that it doesn't contain alcohol. It has the pure ingredients which will actually work on your skin. So the next product by her is this one. This is the anti-tan face mask, anti-tan powder face mask. Now I love this product again, but my love for this product is not as much I love the other two products. Now chandan is very beneficial for removing, you know, tan spots and all of that. So this is a pure mask which is of sandalwood. When you open it and when you take a sniff, you will really get the smell of sandal, and it is so aromatic. I cannot even tell. The smell of this is very pleasing and aromatic. It is just the pure smell of chandan powder. Like, this is really good for removing tan and giving you a even looking brighter skin. And it also has a good property of exfoliating, because when it dries down and when you wash it off, you can slightly massage it in your skin, and after exfoliating or after washing it off, it does give you a very healthy glow, like a healthy glow from. Now coming to the benefits of this mask, Rakt Chandan, it helps in improving uneven skin tone, gives a very radiant complexion. Bailgiri is really good in vitamin C. It works as an antioxidant. Star anise, it's effective for detoxifying your skin. It contains rice. Red rice is very good for removing dead skin cells and reducing pores. The only thing I want to just mention about this product is that this is how it looks. It has a little bit of shiny particles in it. Don't be scared. I actually commented on one of their pictures and they mentioned it is of Rakt. I wanted to know whether it can be any of harm, but they mentioned it is just like how you have, you know, gold flakes in the rose gold oil. So it also have a little bit of you know, shiny particles, like very mild and anything. It won't actually show, but you can see it with your bare eyes, but when you're applying it, it will be just gone. But it does give you a very nice glow. Now coming to my most favorite product of this whole thing, this is their vitamin C serum, and it is so damn good. I am obsessed with this product. Like, this and this combo, the glow is beyond something. Like, it doesn't make your skin look oily. I would say I'm an oily skin girl, so it doesn't make your skin look oily, but it gives you that radiant looking glow. Like, and when you apply it in the night, I usually apply it in the night, obviously, so in the morning when you wake up, your skin will look so supple and so radiant. I cannot even tell how much I love this product. I am gonna repurchase this one, but anyways, let's talk about the product. I'm sorry for blabbering. So now the product, the best part is that it comes in a black bottle, which helps in protecting the product inside, because it's now vitamin C is photosensitive, so it becomes very less effective when it comes to, you know, contact with light or sunlight. So that's why it comes in a black bottle. So that really is good, and I usually keep it in refrigerator so that, you know, when I apply it feels super cool. Now this contains 15% of vitamin C in it, and it is derived from all organic ingredients. Like, the key ingredients are gotu kola, the second ingredient is licorice extract, the third ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and the fourth key ingredient is ascorbic acid. Now vitamin C takes about 3 to 4 months to show results in removing dark spots and pigmentation. As far as I've got to know, it doesn't show in 1 month, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Never ever. It will take time. It takes around 4 months to actually see your scars totally fading away, totally gone. You know the benefits of vitamin C serum already. It helps in reducing fine lines, dark spots, pigmentation, and also helps in increasing collagen. Serum comes in a dropper like this, and the dropper is very good, and the serum kind of looks white. For extremely sensitive skin, I will say that use this vitamin C twice or thrice in a week, not more than that, and use less quantity. Now another thing they have mentioned, it is free from parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, silicones, alcohol, synthetic dyes and synthetic fragrance. This fragrance this product has is a very natural aromatic fragrance of the ingredients that are already in there. I would say among all the vitamin C serum I have reviewed in my channel, like the Dermaco one, the Garnier one, I would say don't waste your money on those serums. Try to get this one. This is worth it. It is worth every penny. I know it is priced at $7.99. It is priced at $7.95, but it is worth every penny. I love this product a lot and I am loving it incredibly. I cannot just stop saying that I love this anyways. One missed product among these whole thing, I wanted to try this out before I buy it. So when I was buying all these products, I asked for their sample and she was so kind and generous enough to send me away this one. So now this is their acne cream. Now this is how it looks like. It looks like a light green cream. I will show it. This moisturizer I feel it kind of clogs my pores. I don't know. I feel very thick on my skin when I apply this moisturizer. It has kalonji oil, clove and tea tree, like everything that is very beneficial for, you know, combating the acne. But I think this product doesn't work on my skin. I do still get acne whenever I use this product. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and comment down below which was your favorite product and which is the one you want to try it out. And also please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to subscribe, but I would just like to say that your subscription means a lot to me. I feel very motivated. That's all, and we'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.